Unfortunately, the Pocket 3's best-selling feature might just be about to become its biggest downfall. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON, and if you're interested in the Pocket and other breaking news, hit that subscribe button. Anyway, this video is not really great news because the Pocket 3 arrived from DJI just a few weeks ago, and already a significant mechanical issue seems to be present. The Pocket 3 is an impressive little device with its big 1-inch camera sensor and a ton of other incredible features, including its impressive swivel screen, which means you can even swivel the screen around and the device turns on and starts recording immediately for you. It also gives you full aspect ratio in portrait and landscape mode. But this impressive mechanical swiveling screen is now the big problem. Users of Facebook groups are posting videos and photos showing the screen stuck in a partially rotated position, unable to lock it closed or open, and that unfortunately renders the device completely unusable. The screen seems to use a very clever magnetic attachment system, and it seems to be the magnets that lock the screen into the desired position which are going wrong. Some have tested gently pulling the screen towards them, and it does actually unclip from this magnet mechanism. By doing so, you expose a very small wire loom behind the screen. However, do this with extreme caution, if at all. There's nothing really to benefit from this, there's no fix known at this time, and you may also invalidate your warranty, so don't do it. The concern here is that it's very unlikely that this can be fixed via a firmware update, because if it's magnets, then they're physical, it's hardware, it's mechanical, and a firmware software update is very unlikely to be able to solve this, unless the magnetic system is electromagnet and it's controlled by electronics and software. Also, DJI provide a nice long warranty, so if you do have a device that's affected, raise a ticket with DJI support right now and get your device swapped out. If, on the other hand, you've not purchased it yet, consider cancelling that order until the first iteration of devices have gone and there's a hardware revision which will solve this, because there's no guarantee that it may not arise later on outside of your warranty period. On the other hand, if you have a device that's not affected right now, you may be okay, but I personally would be taking it back and waiting for DJI to address this formally. The Pocket 3 is a great little device, it's so impressive, and I just hope that DJI can solve this quickly to give the consumer market some trust that this device is worth buying. But at its current price point, it's a lot of money to spend on a device which may end up unusable if this fault occurs outside the warranty period. Perhaps if DJI sent these devices to real-world testers like me before release, instead of these large marketing YouTube channels which play with it for just 5 minutes and say it's brilliant, issues like this would be uncovered before release. But that's just the way it is. If you're suffering from this issue right now, comment below and let us know whether you've had it solved, whether you've raised a ticket, and what the outcome of that ticket was. And let's hope that DJI solve this quickly. Give this video a share, comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe if you're not yet a channel member for the latest news. Thanks for watching.